Hi, this is Katunga, and I'm going to answer questions on laboratory exercise number 4 of Management Accounting 2, which focuses on the risks and rates of return. So the first scenario here, Pandai Incorporated purchased 100 shares of Metals Incorporated common stock for 25 peso per share 1 year ago. During the year, Metals Incorporated paid cash dividends of 2 peso per share. The stock is currently selling for 30 peso per share. If Panday sells all his shares of Metals Incorporated today, what rate of return would he realize? So the given for the first scenario is the 100 shares times 20 peso per share, that's 2,500, and 1,000 shares times 30 per share, that's 3,000 peso. That is the current selling price of the stock. And we have also the dividends paid, okay, which is 2 peso per share. So for 100 share, that's 200 peso. So the way I want to do it is I'll take the current price of the stock, which is 30 peso per share, so times 100 shares, that's 3,000. Okay, and then I'll deduct the previous amount, which is 2,500. So 2,500 came from 100 shares times the previous price, which is 25 peso per share, so 2,500. And then I'll get the difference of the two. So 3,000 minus 2,500, we have 500 peso. And then I'll add the amount of the 2 peso per share. So 2 peso per share times 100 shares, that's 200. So we have 700. Okay, and then I'll divide this amount by the previous or the purchased price of the common stock, which is 25 peso per share. So 2,500. So 700 divided by 2,500. Okay, so we have 0.28, so times 100 in order for us to get the percentage value. Okay, so we have 28%. So the answer on the first question is 28%. Okay, so Panday will realize the 28% from its common stock if he is going to sell his shares of the Metals Incorporated. Okay. So let's go to the second question. Resty Corporation purchased Ratchet's rotator 1 year ago for 6,500. During the year, it generated 4,000 peso in cash flow. If Rusty sells it, he could receive 6,100 pesos for it. What is the Ratchet's rotator's rate of return? So we are going to get the given numbers. We have 6,500 as the purchase price, and then we have 4,000 peso for the cash flow. Okay, um, it has generated 4,000 peso for its cash flow, and the projected selling price, if Rusty will sell the rotators today, he can sell it 6,100 peso. Okay, so what we're going to do is we'll get the cash inflow, generated cash inflow, which is 4,000. Okay, and then we will add the projected selling price, which is 6,100. So we get 10,100. Okay, 10,100. And then from this amount, we are going to deduct the purchase price or the previous price of the rotators, which is 6,500. So 10,100 minus 6,500, we have 3,600 peso. So this amount, we are going to divide this by the purchase price, which is 6,500. So 3,600 divided by 6,500, we have 0.55. Okay, 0.55, and then we multiply it by 100 so that we can get the percentage value, which is 55%. Okay, so the answer for the second question, that if Rotsy sells the rotators today and then he could receive 6,100, what is the rotators rate of return? So the rate of return would be 55%. Okay, let's go to the last question. Product A was purchased 6 months ago for 25,000 peso and has generated 1,500 cash flow during that period. What is the asset's rate of return if it can be sold for 26,750 peso today? So the same procedure, we're going to get the given amounts. So we have 25,000 peso for the purchase price, and then we have 1,500 for the cash inflow. Okay, and then we have 26,750 peso for the projected selling price if if the if this product will be sold today. So the same procedure also, we are going to get the cash inflow, which is 1,500, and then add the projected selling price, which is 26,750 peso. So we get 28,250. Okay, and then from this amount, we are going to deduct the purchased price, or the price of the product A when it was purchased, which is 25,000. Okay, so it should give us 3,250. Okay, and then this amount 3,250, we are going to divide it by the purchase price, or the product of the price of the product A when it was purchased, so which is 25,000. Okay, so 3,250 divided by 25,000, it should give us 0.13, which when converted into percentage value is 13%. Okay, so the answer for the third question, the asset's rate of return if if product A is sold today, is 13%. Thank you.